number one critical piece to growing and scaling your business is maintaining customer communication. And then the other thing that I would recommend to locally based home service or small businesses in general is be active in your community, but do it as a giver. It doesn't mean you have to be charitable or anything like that. It means that you are showing your company, your brand is invested and involved in the community. Sponsoring a local kids sports function would be one way to do it. Another way would be to, be involved if there's a local fair or a festival, putting your name on it. Spending a couple $100 here and there to make your name be involved with the community goes a long way, and people wanting to give back to you and to make sure that you stay in that community. Focusing on those two things, previous customers, community involvement, can help you in ways that aren't able to be always looked at from an ROI perspective, but it is looked at in a way of goodwill and value.